And I live right here, where the booms are loud and the sky feels near. I had a home with a roof and a door, but now it's just pieces all over the floor. Mama told me stay strong, don't cry, but where is she now? I don't know why. She held my hand just yesterday, now the world feels so far away. Can you hear me? Can you see? I'm just a kid, this isn't who I'm meant to be. I want to laugh, I want to play, but all I see is smoke every day. Please listen, I'm calling to you. I'm 6 years old, what can I do? I don't like the dark, it's so cold at night. The stars are gone, there's no more light. I used to draw with colors so bright. Now I just draw the things that frighten. Why do the planes make the ground shake? Why does my heart feel like it will break? I ask the grown-ups, but they just sigh, and I wonder if they also cry. Can you hear me? Can you see? I'm just a kid, I should be free. I want my mama, I want her hug, but all I have is her scarf to tug. Please listen, I'm talking to you. I'm 6 years old, what can I do? I used to think the world was kind, but now I see it's blind, so blind. If you were me, what would you say? Would you help or look away? Can you hear me? Can you see? I'm just a kid, this isn't how life should be. I want a home, I want to run, not live in a place with no more sun. Please listen, I'm begging you. I'm 6 years old, what will you do? So I'll sit here and close my eyes, dream of a world without goodbyes. If you can hear me, help us today, so kids like me can smile and play.